In this short video, I want to tell you about my Diamond team. It's a new smart contract on the BInance Smart Chain by the trusted and experienced MyDeFi team. This contract pays out 1.5% daily on your BNB, so that's a nice 365% profit in a year. As an investor, you can compound and extend your earnings through deposits, and reinvestment rewards as well as through team-based referrals. You start by depositing BNB tokens in the contract. Remember, what you deposit in the contract you can never withdraw. You can only get out your initial deposit by claiming your 1.5% daily interest. There's a minimum investment of 0.1 BNB and a maximum of 25 BNB. This is to protect the contract from whales with lots of money who can drain the contract. I currently have 0.5 BNB invested. There's a 10% fee for investing and withdrawing, just like Dapp. This contract is by invite only, so you need a referral link. I will add my link in the description below this video. The platform allows you to do airdrops to the people who join under you, so that's similar to the Dapp network contract. These airdrops allow you to reward your downline, and give back to the community. You can do team airdrops or direct airdrops, whatever you wish. The referral program goes 15 levels deep, so signing people up under you can increase your profits fast. There are 3 ways to make money with this. The first way is by earning 1.5% passive income on your deposit. The second way is by a 5% direct referral commission. And the third way is by getting a matching commission when members under you make a withdrawal. There also is a compound feature, so you do not have to withdraw the daily earnings and deposit them back in the contract again, which costs more on gas fees. There is a 0% tax if your withdrawal amount is less than 1% of the contract balance, and a 5% tax if the amount is greater or equal to 1% of the contract balance. You can read more about the different fees that apply on the website in the light paper. These fees are used to keep the contract stable and protect it from whales. There are no restrictions to join, and no referrals are required to receive your 1.5% daily interest. This is a high-risk, high-reward contract, so please do your own research, and never put in more money that you can afford to lose. Please use my referral link below if you want to join, and once I have enough people in my team, I will start doing airdrops. Thanks again for watching all the way. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love reading your feedback and I answer every question. You can also join my Telegram group where I share the latest crypto platforms first, before I post them here on my channel. The Telegram link is also below. Have a great day, and if you like my information, please share, like, subscribe and hit the beautiful bell icon to get all the latest crypto videos first.